You need a birth certificate for many reasons. To get a Social Security card, a state license, or non-driver ID, for example.
Without that, it prevents a person from having access to those resources, which ultimately keeps a person from getting food, from being able to get some type of income, also to seek employment.
Millions of Pennsylvanians are facing life-changing civil legal problems, but can't afford an attorney.
In this country, there is no constitutional right, there is no statutory right to have an attorney in civil cases.
But government funding for legal services has quietly and significantly eroded over the last decade. The situation could get worse under President Donald Trump's proposed budget, which would eliminate the funding that is the lifeblood of organizations like Legal Aid of Southeastern Pennsylvania.
We could lose up to 40% of our funding, and this would have a profound impact on our ability to provide services here in Bucks County.
The working poor and lower middle class face limited options even now. They often make too much money to qualify for free legal help, but not enough to afford a lawyer.
So that leaves a huge gap of people who cannot afford an attorney and yet do not qualify for our services.
Bridging that gap are groups like the Montgomery County Bar Association.
Although the Modest Means program has been in existence for a number of years, over the last year, the association has expanded the pool of consumers that are able to utilize those services. That's basically in direct correlation to this growing gap between those who can afford legal services and the cost of services.
This is Jo Ciavaglia reporting from Bristol Township.